All right, so now we're moving to the stage of writing. Now, my format of teaching Arabic, you get a combination of writing and reading, all in the first class. Now, we already went over our first letters. Let's do a quick review. Our first vowels, which is known in Arabic as harakat. Harakat, right? Which means vowels. Harakat. Now, you have 4 vowels. Dhamma, which makes the U sound. Fatha, which makes the A sound. Kasra, which makes the E sound. Sukun, it only indicates to pronounce the letter without the vowel. Now, Dhamma looks like a little backwards 9, you would say. Fatha sits over top of the letter. Kasra sits underneath the letter. And Sukun sits over top of the letter. And it's either one of these 2 shapes. You either see one of the 2 shapes. Now, let's move over to the letters. We're going to work with the first 4 letters here. And what we'll do is we'll write them in their initial form. We'll write them in their beginning form. We'll write them in their middle form. And we'll write them in their ending form. And you're going to connect them, for lack of better words, the same way that you would connect with English. You know how in English we have cursive? You would connect the same exact way. So you have your cursive letter where it's isolated or it's initial, by itself, and then you have it. Sometimes it takes a different shape when you're connecting the letters when writing. Likewise, Arabic follows the same, the same suit. So we'll start with alif. Alif looks like a straight line. Now, normally, when we write Arabic, we write from right side to the left side. So when you start writing, you're always going to start from your right side to the left. In English, we write left to right. Arabic, you write right to left. So alif is just a straight line. In alif, it doesn't have a sound. It takes the sound of the vowel. Alif also, this is the beginning of alif. Alif in the beginning form. If you started a word, this is how alif would be in the beginning. Alif in the middle, you make the little tail that's going to connect it, and you go up. Right? That's the alif in the middle. Alif doesn't connect from the left side. So the same thing with alif. It doesn't connect from the left side. So the beginning of alif is just a straight line. The middle and the end resemble each other because